sometimes everything just seems too much. When I'm in a big city, surrounded by a lot of people, all that noise, all I can think of is a quiet place somewhere in the middle of nowhere where I can just stop. Luckily, I live in England. Can you hear it? Nothing. What's up guys? In today's episode we're gonna do a cool tattoo on somebody's calf. I think we started doing this tattoo some time ago. Today we're gonna finish it probably. Hopefully you enjoy the formula of my recent videos where I combine two worlds, like tattoo world and my travel world. The reason I'm doing this is because just to make it a little bit more interesting, because at the end of the day in the studio there's only so many things that happens, you know. We tattoo all day, we can have an interesting conversation, but they're not always so interesting. So I decided to combine them two different worlds together, so it's a little bit more entertaining. Yeah, that's pretty much the idea behind it now. Probably gonna do some more cool stuff in the future. However, at this point I need to kind of still learn all the techniques and all the, you know, tips and tricks regarding videography. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Today's episode, we're gonna visit Speke's Mouth Waterfall. I think that's the correct name. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. One of my favorite places, obviously. I'm gonna try to do my best, guys, to show you the actual beauty of this great place. And yeah, I'm gonna set up my station. Today, I'm gonna speak a little bit more about technique as well. In the meantime, see what's going on in the Jakub Hendrix hut. See you in a minute. Hello guys, today me and my crazy dog Blue, we're going for a little trip on our own because my wife over there, she needs to stay at home and look after editing. Yeah, she needs to edit some stuff because she's got a lot of pictures, a lot of photos that she needs to edit. So that's why I'm going on my own and this little crazy dog over there. Today there is a big chance we're going to go and see Waterfall. So hopefully the drone footage is going to be awesome. And yeah, see how it, and yeah. Okay, enough of this chit chat. I'm gonna get all my stuff ready and let's hit the road and see you in a minute. Pretty much there. We have to conquer the famous English wide road, but as soon as we do that, we're gonna be there. See, that's how it works. We have a car. place. That is the place, yeah. So that's pretty much, we have to park in here in order to go further. The rest of the road is pretty much walking. I'm gonna turn this off for a second. I'm gonna get myself and Blue Dog out of the car and see you guys outside.
I know that you know I saw it. Your words like little knives.
Somebody actually did it.
Part of me thought you would have fought it. Can't say that I was surprised.
Welcome back. So today we tattooing Marcus, this handsome gentleman in here. The girls look a little bit shy. So yeah, they're getting tattooed by Wojtek today. It looks like it's going to be a cool little design around the ankle by this handsome alcoholic.
As usual.
And yeah, we're doing a badass tattoo that we started like what, 2 years?
A year ago.
A year ago.
Yeah, man.
And today we hopefully going to finish it, but I think we will. That's pretty much what we're going to do this time.
I tak te linie wiesz, oddzielnie.
And that's going to go on Marcus's leg. And yeah, it looks like it's going to be another cool tattoo, another cool day, and see you guys in a minute. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna do my best to show you the greatness of this place. It's just breathtaking. It is absolutely breathtaking. Wherever you look, it's just vast greatness. Cool. I think it's the time for the drone footage. You ready? Here we go. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do, because there's quite a lot of people going on in here. There's quite a lot of people going on here, so I'm just gonna have to conquer my fear from crowds and try to speak to them. In the meantime, check this out. There's a few different waterfalls going on in here. Obviously, this is the biggest one. Then you've got another little small one there, and then you've got a third one just down below. And it looks like we've got really low tide, so I think it might be alright to actually go this way. We might as well do that. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to tattoo. The reason we stopped tattooing Marcus last time, it was because I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it, guys, but he have one of the driest skins I've ever tattooed in my life, and all this horror starts coming back to me now. And that's how that's the reason we stopped, because I wanted to see how everything's going to look like after it heals. It healed pretty right. However, because he's got such a dry skin, you can kind of see pattern on his skin where the skin is kind of cracked. You see, it looks like a dry lake kind of thing, but it looks like this on the other tattoo as well. So I suppose that's just the way it is with his skin, and see what's going to happen today. Okay, so the problem with Marcus's skin, whatever ink is on it and you try to wipe it, the ink goes in between them little cracks in the skin and it's quite hard to clean it. And usually when you do the black, it's pretty smooth and you can put any kind of color on top of it, no problem. But as you can see, in this skin, it already have a lot of cracks in here. So as soon as I put any lighter tone and wipe it over the black, it just stays in them little cracks and the black looks milky. But I suppose that's just one of them things that you need to kind of, you know, rely on your knowledge. And when you have some experience with tattooing, it shouldn't be an issue kind of thing. You just have to trust your skills and yeah, hope for the best. In the meantime, guys, let's go back to this beautiful place, because at this point I think I'm actually showing you the beach with cool waves and my dog's throwing a stick. So see you guys in a minute and let's check it out. Okay, so at this point we pretty much got the view for the beach, for the place. It's a really low tide. And the whole place look pretty much like this. You've got like a tiny little pathway going down, some stairs, and happy guy.
Been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure. I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. It was never been.
Hey. This way. Look at them little fish. You see it? Going right over there. Tiny little ones. So what happened every time when you got a low tide, the sea creates like little pools where all the little fish, sometimes bigger fish, just stay and they can kind of survive, wait and survive till the high tide comes in again. And usually you can find a lot of interesting things in pools like this. To be honest, I might actually take my shoes off and get in. Yes!
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me,
Need to tie them up in a little knot,
like the rainbow.
so I'm not going to lose them, because I like my shoes. It's so slippery.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. I can't control it.
I just want to sit here and enjoy the energy that is in here. Since about 6 years ago, I had some kind of a, people call it awakening, and since that moment everything just became different. The perception of reality my perception of reality became so amplified that for some reason I start enjoying just being. That's all I need, just to be. You know, I do have targets, you know, and dreams and stuff, but they don't define me. They're more like dreams. You know, I have them. It would be cool to have a camper van, for example. It would be cool to travel the world a little bit more. But even if I don't, I'm not going to be unhappy. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, my happiness comes from within. It doesn't. I'm happy no matter where I am. You know. Obviously, sometimes I want to be in places more than the others. And sometimes I've got moments of doubt, sometimes I've got moments of when I feel really not connected with everything. But since that 6 years ago, since that awakening, I just perceive the reality in a different way, completely different way, which I'm so grateful for it. That is unbelievable. I'm so lucky that I managed to open my eyes and see what's going on in here, like for real. I'm happy. Let's check what's going on in the studio. Maybe I'm tattooing, I don't know. But it's definitely something cool going on in the studio, so see you guys in a minute, and welcome to Mikci Tattoo again. Okay, let's see what's going on Wojtek's station. How's it going over here, guys? All good? I see you celebrate. It's only juice, apple juice.
Birthday!
Celebrating. This is, what's your name? Sorry. Joanna.
Some people rent our studio to celebrate birthdays, so she's rented the day.
Well, like Dame McDonald's.
Yeah.
What's yours? What's your name?
Carolina.
Carolina. So Carolina and Joanna, they celebrate Joanna's 27th kind of birthday. And this handsome chap in here, he's doing a tattoo on her ankle. You can't really see it because of his fucking head, but it's all good.
Oh, it's my dream.
Alright. Awesome. So yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What you doing over here, sunshine?
Preparing a tattoo for my next appointment.
Is that? What are you doing next?
Her dog passed away, so we're just doing an outline of her dog.
Oh, cool. Well, just like that.
Yeah, just the line she wants.
Awesome.
Hi people, welcome to my tutorial on how to be a sexy bitch. Gorgeous, fabulous,
sexy bitch. So yeah, that was, you guys know Josh by now. He's our sexy gay tattooist in here. How you feeling, Marcus? You good today?
Yeah, good man.
Yeah.
Good. You've been working my leg over nicely.
Awesome. Long time no see. We haven't seen each other. When was the last time you've been here?
Last September?
Was it last September?
Yeah.
So far so good.
Bleedy.
Bleedy.
Very
That's it. I'm gonna try to show you guys what kind of stuff is good to do on such a dry skin, just to make sure the tattoo is gonna be done correctly and stuff. Because this, at the end of the day, is really difficult thing to do, to tattoo somebody with such an extremely dry skin. Hopefully, I manage, and yeah, the outcome's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing now. The way we're going to do this is because Marcus got like extremely dry skin. So because he's got like a really dry skin, every time when I put any kind of ink on it and I try to wipe it, the ink stays within the skin. The way I work on that kind of skin, obviously I have to be like very gentle and stuff. And unfortunately, I have to wipe a lot just to see what I'm doing, which is not very pleasant for the customer and not very good for the skin, especially dry like this. Because every single time when you wipe, when you use any kind of antiseptic on the skin and you wipe it, the skin's getting drier and drier with each time. So you kind of have to compromise between the amount of times you want to do it and the actual amount of time that you have to do it to see what you're doing. In terms of the actual technique, in this episode I would like to speak a little bit about doing some details. Hopefully I'm going to be able to show it on Marcus's skin today. There's two different ways to achieve cool detail. One of the things that I called soft detail in is I put like a base coat of very light first, and then with a liner or round shader I put details on top of it, you know, because the skin is already open. Every time when I touch it with the needle, the ink goes a lot easier in. However, the details I'm doing using this kind of technique are a lot softer, if you know what I mean. So every time when I do something that is a little bit further back and I want to achieve this blurriness, I'm using this technique because every single dot I'm putting on top of it is a lot softer. However, every single time when I try to get details very crisp and sharp, I'm doing the details first on a fresh bit of skin, and then I put colors on top of it. That way this detail in the skin always stays really sharp and is not as blurry. So yeah, them two different techniques I use depending on what kind of stuff I want to achieve. That's my another little tip and trick for tattooing. Hopefully that's going to help you guys next time we're going to plan your tattoo. Let's get back to the tattooing. See you guys after I finish, and in the meantime let's check this awesome place out, because I think at this point I'm looking for some magic mushrooms again, and I think I climbed on one of the cliffs. So yeah, check this out and see you in a minute. Okay, my beautiful viewers, the tide is start being really high, so it's time to get back. We're only going there, you know, for the top of the hill, so it's time to check if they have any mushrooms in here, magic mushrooms. If they do, that would be like the best thing ever. Okay. Whoa, that was a good little walk. Well, I'm gonna go this way now. I'm gonna go there, across the stream, and I'm just gonna try to go on the other on the other side. All them fields, they're usually covered with cows, so I suppose there should be some magic mushrooms according to my psychedelic knowledge. I'm so happy to be here. There's a birds of prey flying just there. Such a good bird. No, pop.
It was on fire, our house, our dream.
Here we are.
We were dancing on a wild
There's a bridge.
red cliff, it's sea. We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw.
Can you hear it? Nothing. Absolutely nobody in here. You can only hear this little stream, and that's it. Oh my god. Okay. We need to start looking for the mushrooms. It's not even a magic mushroom. I cannot find any mushrooms whatsoever. We are at the top of the world. Woo! It's really scary though, because it's quite narrow. Well done. Look at the view, man. Do you want to see this view, guys? We gotta see this view, right? Okay. Hey buddy, do you want to go? Do you want to go, buddy? Shall we? Okay, it's time to get the fuck out of here. Go this way. See you in a second. Okay. We have saying the home is where your heart is, and my heart is in England. I can't help it. I've been here 18 years. This place fed me, gave me roof under my head. You take away the stress, you know, from me. I can only call it home. And it's really fucking windy as well. The reason I'm doing them videos, traveling videos and stuff, is for you guys to see how beautiful England is and how absolutely incredible this planet is, you know, so you can see all them great places with, you know, the way I see it, hopefully, and you fall in love this as much as I did. And that's pretty much the main reason I'm doing this. I know I walk around, I don't really talk much about, you know, the history of the places. Maybe I'll start doing this in the future, but at the minute I'm just walking around enjoying myself and showing you guys them beautiful places. Hopefully that's not boring. If it is, let me know in the comments so I change some, and you know, I want you to enjoy them videos as well. So yeah, let's go this way. You see this white house over there? That's where the car is, pretty much behind it. So we need to go all the way here, go down, turn right, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, all the way up, and that's where the car is. It's going to be a long walk. A long walk, I tell you. That's how my proud face looks like, because I just come up with a great idea. I'm gonna give 3 hours of free tattooing to whoever gonna tell me what's the name of this island over there. You guys know where we are. You got a name in the title, and yeah, if you can tell me, you can be local, you can live, you know, quite far away from my studio, it doesn't really matter. Probably local better, because, you know, coming all over from God knows where for 3 hours of free tattooing, I don't know if that's, you know, you're probably gonna spend more money for petrol. But if you fairly local to Reading, which is where I got the studio, and you put the comment down below with the name of this island, you're gonna get 3 hours of tattooing by moi. And yeah, that's the deal. I think I'm gonna do this every single time, actually. This oh. That sounds like a great idea. Fucking hell, I almost tripped. I'm gonna do different kind of different quantity of hours. You know, one day I might do like a full day session for free with me. You're probably gonna have to answer one of the questions I give you in the comment section, and yeah, then I do a bit of a raffle, and you know, if I pick you, you're gonna come over and I'm gonna tattoo you. Sickness. That's such a good idea. Yeah, baby. This is such a long way up, and it's so hot. Somebody just asked me if I'm a YouTuber, so apparently I look like a YouTuber. I don't know. I wonder what's the giveaway. I don't know. Maybe the camera with the stick, or maybe that's how the YouTubers looks like. I don't know. Besides the backpack with pretty much the whole Warner Brothers equipment inside, I suppose I am some kind of a YouTuber. My God, not long. And we're back. Woo! Jesus Christ, that was pretty good. I don't have to run today. Thank you guys for being with us on this great trip in Speke's Waterfalls. As always, I enjoyed it big time. Hopefully you enjoyed it as well, guys. If you have any comments about what kind of stuff would you like to see next time, let me know in the comments. And thank you very much again, guys, for being with us, and see you next time. Alrighty then, welcome back to the studio, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the beauty of this place. At this point, we pretty much finished with Marcus's tattoo. After a not so long day, I think we spent about 4 hours doing this tattoo, finishing this tattoo up, and it wasn't the easiest tattoo I've ever done, but hopefully the outcome is pretty decent. Thank you guys for staying with us in this episode. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully you're gonna like all the future episodes as well. Please subscribe if you like what you see. You don't have to, but it would be nice. Yeah, let's see what's going on Marcus's leg, and see you guys next time.